on. I'm gonna find them lambs. I'm gonna wait for. Oh, I can hear them. They're hungry.
They're hungry.
They're really hungry, I bet. Can you hear them? Can you hear them? Look at him. Good morning.
Not for you, it's for the lamb.
There you go. We're having to think about it
Yeah,
then.
it's for the lamb, not for you. For the lamb.
He's like, no,
I'll have a bit of that.
Grandad, look what I've got. Yeah.
bring them a job in the garden.
Oh dear. I'm bringing them out.
Yeah, it's easier for you.
Fair enough.
Wait, so you don't want to go in the barn anyway.
Come on! Wait there, big boy.
Right here. Oh, it's good. Oh, look at them.
Oh, Les is being Carhullan.
They're ready for milk.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, look at that. Hold it a little bit higher.
A bit higher.
Tilt it. That's 1 point. There you go.
Go here. Hold it high.
No, not him. No, he'll butt it all over.
He'll butt it.
Yeah. Have to do this one.
There we go. You come back here.
Come back here, you cheeky boy.
There you go, girl.
Hold it.
I'm feeding them.
Hold it.
Come here, you do that.
Yes.
Does Mummy want to do it?
Come on.
Is it Mummy's turn?
Make your head.
No, you can't.
Look at the little.
He's only 69.
Mummy's turn.
Oh, Mummy's turn. Come here, you.
Don't stop.
Lift it right up like that. Like as if they're on the mum.
Like that. Oh,
Right up.
Yeah, show it quite
Just grab them.
Pointing down.
That's it.
there we go.
Head up.
Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? He's all over you.
Is it blocked?
It might be blocked.
Is
Yeah,
it
just check the
blocked?
nipple. The
Let's have a
nipple might be
look.
blocked.
Come on. You're having a go now, aren't you? Let's have a look. Oh, you're all good. Come here. Come back.
Get over there, you.
Oh, goats are here.
Just pick her up.
Oh, goats are here.
Come here.
Oh, Albie's in there
Oh,
as
he's
well.
gone in now.
Oh, he's gone in. Oh, I'll have him.
Oh, yeah. Come on, then. What's that? Oh. Come on, let's get you down here. Let's get to these lambs.
Jump.
Jump. Hey.
Oh, look.
There you go.
Well, you weren't messing around, were you, with your milk?
He's actually quite well behaved then. He's not normally.
There you go, mate.
Liam's normally really naughty.
Oh, there you go, Liam.
You don't think you will back
She's been too with it.
What's the matter with you?
Might not be hungry as well.
She might not be hungry today.
Hi. Gotta go and let the chickens out in a minute as well.
You want to feed my chickens?
You like chickens too?
Hey.
Put it down, Pete.
Put Liam down. Liam's huge.
Yeah.
Oh, he's after some more.
Here we go.
Liam.
Hey.
Liam, Lola, and
Leave the lamb
Les.
alone.
Les is the latest one. Les is only. How old's Les? About 5 days old.
Good boy.
You're going in the garden today anyway. Get some fresh air. Hopefully that wind's gonna bloody disappear.
I know.
I know, it's not as bad as yet as last night.
Was it bad
Oh,
last
a bit.
night? I think the worst we've had is like a
Come on. Hold it. Hold these. You're going to get knocked over with them goats. The goats are coming. Come on.
What's the matter?
Go on, jump. Good lad.
What do you know?
Oh.
Dale and Brennan.
That was it.
Stepbrothers all
yeah.
Oh, God. They're just hilarious. No, they are. Look at them coming there. Look at them. They just look like trouble, don't they? Got trouble written all over the face. Oh, look at that. That's chicken food, is that, Albie?
No.
Pig food? Is it pig food, that one? Pig food.
Oh, it's cold.
An egg, don't throw it, don't throw it! You don't, no, don't throw it, that's for your egg.
Go on, I've chucked you in for breakfast.
You want an egg? What do you say? Thank you.
What an egg.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Give me some. You want squeeze an egg. You can try it.
We can try, weren't it?
Is this the baby chicken? You're very good at holding something.
Right there. Whoa. Albie, look at this.
And you?
Who's this? Who's this, Albie?
You like the mayonnaise?
He wants to give him some food, that's what he's after. To give him some food. Is there any food in there? That's water. Water? That's what they drink, Albie. Yeah. Come over to see you. Come over to see you. Come over to see you. See? Look. Water there, look, yeah. Look. Come on then.